हरिः कन्ना।
Now let's look into the fourth type of non-rectangular data, which is a text data or textual data. So what is text data? A data that is composed of natural language text, often with unstructured or semi-structured formats. Examples include emails, social media posts, and customer reviews, new articles, or blog posts. So now let's look into the each type of data, because so these days these product based companies such as Google, Microsoft, and even other IBM, um, Amazon Web Service, Amazon, and Flipkart, and a lot of other companies, even service based companies, are also widely working on projects where text data is prime. Text data is important. The projects are primarily driven by the text data. So that's the reason I just want to show you the projects which are dependent on various types of projects which are dependent on various resources of text data. So let's see, emails or text messages. Anyway, everybody knows emails, text messages. So I'll just quickly show you. So this is a email, a Gmail, and inside that Gmail you will find out your email. So based on, so it has a definite format. So header, and then body, from a sender. So based on that format, so each email, so if you click on compose, so let me make it bigger. So two, and then you will have a subject, and inside you will have a body inside, and some other. So based on this recipient, based on these components, you will be working on this text data. Okay, and that's called email. Or even text messages, you can get into your WhatsApp, and based on the sender and then what message he has sent. So these are the two important parameters of the text messages, either in WhatsApp or direct chat messages inside your mobile phone. And then next we have social media posts such as tweets or Facebook updates. So I'm gonna show some social media posts. Maybe that's also official one. So let me get into this. This is a LinkedIn post. So I have done a lot of posts 3 weeks before. It's like I have posted about my Python video, and then I also posted how a silicon which silicon is able to do the processing, how the silicon will be converted into the processor. And similarly I have done how Python runs a program, the comparison, and a few more I have did it. And here it is, going back in time, the comparison between traditional deployment, virtualized deployment, and finally container deployment. What's the difference between each of them? So that's also we have seen, and a few more examples that we have here. However, so these are the different posts that are made. Sometimes it's a textual, and sometimes it is image, it's a video. But anyway, so basically textual posts we will be considering here. So this is also the best example of a textual data. So then we have customer reviews for products or services. So what I'm gonna show you, for example, let's go to the Google search engine. So I'll type a restaurant. So a Jaitun restaurant, which is at Indira Nagar. Obviously, we frequently visit this. So this restaurant, but before we visit, obviously what we do, we get into our Google search engine, we'll type the restaurant name, and then we will click on reviews to see the reviews. Now these are the reviews which are written by the anonymous people, or of course they'll mention the name and the phone, not phone number, some information there. However, so this is the review data. this is called textual data. Even the reviews are also textual data. So at the end, this is a customer review. Based, if you work on this customer review, we can improve the service, or if you we can improve the services or and quality of the product from our company. So the reviews data also widely useful for us. And here, first thing, you can get the review summary. So they'll rate it. Of course, this is pretty straightforward. You will have the rating. That's an ordinal scale of measurement, ordinal level of measurement. So each 1 2 3 4 5 will have a specific meaning. Of course, it's not interval. So you can do some summary, you can find out the mode, but not anything else, not median or mean. So this is our Google review summary. In addition to that, you will get the textual data. So this is what the textual data. This is the name of the person who has who has written the review, and he has posted some images also, and then he has written some feedback or something with us. Okay, this is what is review, and of course the response also given, and a few more. You have Sumanta Bhattacharya. He has written a big uh, review, and popular place with the Middle Eastern and Indian food, all for great price. Okay, fantastic. So there are a lot of reviews, and so based on the each review, this is a pure textual data. You can actually take up this textual data for analysis, and you can create different types of projects using this textual data. Okay, and let's get back and we'll see a few more examples. So finally we have a new articles blog posts. Let me get into my blog. So this is my blog Imlac, and you see that imlac.wordpress.com. So here you can see all my articles, new blogs, and these are also depends on, first it will have a heading, and after that it will have a body, and in addition to that author and the date it's written, and any comments or sticky notes. So these are different. I have written this articles on blogs on Python. Whoever is interested, you can visit this and you can read it, you can go through it. Okay, so these are all basically an article or a blog. So this is also text data. This is also a text data. So these are the basic fundamental and widely used examples of text data. And recently these top companies, the Mang or Fang, all these companies are widely and heavily working on projects which are primarily dependent on text data, that is emails or text messages, social media posts, tweets, or Facebook updates, customer reviews for products or services, and news articles or blog posts.